Hey YouTubers, I will make a video about my computer. I don't know what is happening to my computer. It's like a sound which is very annoying. It's like I don't know. Can anyone teach me how to clean a Compaq presario cq61 to I just wanna clean it inside, but I don't know how to remove it. Do I have to remove all the things like the motherboard? I don't know how. Please help me. Hey, can you hear the sound? It's the like fan inside my computer. It's very annoying. That's why I don't know what to do. And I just don't know. So can you please specifically help me out? Any comments or suggestions about my computer? This is a Compaq presario cq61. It's really annoys me, the sound, and I can't find any uh a link or anything that may help me, and I really don't know. Can you please help me? And I just wanna sing now. I wanna sing a song. I don't know what happened to my other video. I think I deleted it somewhere else. I don't know, but I can't find it. I really can't find it, so but yeah, I need to make a video again. Okay, this song is I don't know what the title of this song. I know. It's Kaya Pala by Paps Fernandez, and I loved this when I was second year high school. I can't remember, so play it. I'll play it now and listen. Kaya pala nangyari yun, kaya pala nagkaganon, lungkot at naiyak, nagtampo pa noon. Kaya pala may natapos, ay magsisimula, hindi na muli na ako luluha. Kaya nauna ako. Kaya pala sa buhay ko'y darating ka, dito sa puso ko, ikaw pala. Kaya pala, di ba minsan ako'y nasaktan, ikaw naman ang matatagpuan, ngayon alam ko na. Kaya pala may nawala, sa puso ko'y may darating, pusong buhay ng isa, pinigaran. Kahit gano'n ang nangyari, puso ko may nasaktan. Kaya pala gano'n ay maganda dahilan. Kaya pala sa buhay ko'y darating ka, dito sa puso ko, ikaw pala. Kaya pala, di ba minsan ako'y nasaktan, ikaw naman ang matatagpuan, ngayon alam ko na. Kaya pala. Love you all. I just want to thank God for what I've achieved in my life, and thanks. Kaya pala sa buhay ko'y I don't know. It was taken by Cyberlink UCAM and it's not that good. Hi, I'm Tina from Denmark.